American counterterrorism experts believe that the next terrorist attack against the United States can originate from the federally administered tribal areas in Pakistan. Similar claims have also been made by British officials visiting this country.
3/4 of the terrorist plots in the UK are linked to that border area between Afghanistan and Pakistan. We know that's where Al-Qaeda fled to.
Pakistan and the United States have expressed their resolve to defeat terrorist outfits.
We will not buckle. We will fight you. We will fight you because we want stability and peace in Pakistan.
We have a united and shared vision of the kind of future that our children in both countries should be able to enjoy, where each child doesn't have to fear when he or she goes to school or to a market that they may not make it home safely, where the God-given abilities of each child can be nurtured.
The United States and Britain, who were previously trying to shoot their way out of the problem, are now willing to analyze the situation in greater depth.
How do young people get radicalized to that extent? The responsibility, some young people, a small minority. The issue has to be, as important as armies and police and counterterrorism experts are the young people receiving these messages, and how you can give a contrary view, a counter-narrative, not from politicians perhaps, but by their own peers, young people themselves, who understand the outrageous misappropriation of Islam that's going on here. So that's something that we're doing in the UK as part of our counter-terrorism strategy.
Experts believe it is important to devise an effective way to rehabilitate and reintegrate young children who were captured and trained by different militant outfits back into the society.
The children who were caught, they need not be treated as criminals. After all, at a young age, impressionable age, they were cheated. First by our own upper classes and the ruling classes by just simply not giving them enough honor and enough money, etc. Then they fell into whatever they fell into. They should be sent into special schools, and which would teach them some work, which would give them lectures, etc., to change their minds, which should expose them to narratives other than the ones they've been hearing so far.
Security forces have launched a program on a limited scale to help these children.
There is a rehabilitation program, and the military, along with the concerned civil agencies, is running that program, and there are about 30 of them undergoing this whole rehabilitation program.
It's about time. What we have been doing in Pakistan so far is we are treating the symptoms rather than really the disease. And I think madrasa is one of the important issues. I think it's about time we stop defending the institutions of madrasa. It's very unfair that some children, they may be going to extremely nice schools, they may be going to HSN, and as opposed to this, there are children who don't have a choice except to go to madrasas. I think it's very unfair.
A rational narrative has to be given because people are still confused. They believe that they are fighting against the forces of the US or India, etc. They don't believe that they've got the kind of internal enemy which was not conceived of later, in which the army was actually not prepared, not trained to fight. It is doing it now, but it wasn't trained to do that.
अच्छा फर्ज करो अगर आप ना पकड़े जाते हम मुजाहिद बन जाते फिर क्या करते? समझ में नहीं आता.
It will not be easy for anyone to bring back the innocence that these children lost while they were in Taliban captivity.